Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new BoxyCharm unboxing. Super excited. I love BoxyCharm and I love BoxyCharm videos. I love watching boxing. What is it? And I love watching BoxyCharm unboxes, and so that's why I keep doing them. I personally love them, so I do what I like. If you would like to see what I got in my box and then how I'm gonna put it on my face and make myself look beautiful, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's open this box. Ooh, I already see stuff in it. So here is the little card. So there's gonna be the Cover FX drop, the drop thing in there. There's an eyeshadow palette. There are brushes, and there is some lashes. This is about to be great. So I did already kind of know what was gonna be in there just because I've seen other people do theirs. So I already put my foundation on and eyebrows, and then I also did I set everything. So I don't have bronzer or anything like that. I know bronzer is not in the box or anything, so I didn't put it. I did not put it on already just because I personally love watching people put their bronzers on. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me or if it's like everybody. So I'm going to show you guys me putting my bronzer on. Just because, once again, I enjoy watching people put their bronzers on. So I'm hoping you guys like it as well. I love this top. It's new. I did put like a little pin in here because I don't like my girls to be like popping out, but it has like a little tie here. It's like super cute. I think you can go, it's supposed to not have this. I must be tying it wrong, so I just like put a thing in here, and I just think it's super adorable. It's gonna be super cute for when it goes back to it's like Lola keeps farting. It reeks. Where is she? Or maybe it's me. Is it me? I don't think I'm farting though. I love this top. I think the color is so cute. It's so like cozy and stuff as well. But I will leave the link down below if I can find it. Yeah, I'll be able to find it. Alright, but yeah, let's get started. So I realized that I have not used this bronzer in so long, and I bought this because I was like, this is gonna be my favorite thing ever! And I just forgot about it. And it has like the biggest mirror ever, which is awesome if you ever have to go somewhere else. Like, you know, like I don't ever really go anywhere. So I'm gonna go and use my Sigma R2, my favorite bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna dip this in here and get myself some nice and bronze because I look pretty pasty over here. I hope I don't ruin my hair, because I just put, I have been like wearing like with like nothing with my hair. It's just kind of like blah and just not like doing anything with it. Totally forgot about this bronzer, because it's like in a different part as all my other bronzers because I just ran out of space. And so this was like kind of back in the corner, and I totally forgot about this. I'm really glad I found it. Just going into my Sigma E45, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my nose. I think I'm gonna try to take this is just my RCMA powder, and I wanna put this, I'm gonna use the same brush just because I'm lazy, and I'm just gonna put it in the center. Are you guys singing Christmas music yet? I think this is a little bit too early for me, and I love Christmas music, but people were starting to listen to it at like, in like November 4th. I'm like, I think that's too early. At least for me, it's a little bit too early. I think it's a little bit too much. Moving on, let's go into a eyeshadow palette. This is from Ace Beauty, and this is the Grandioso palette. So it looks like this. I've heard amazing things about this. So it's nice and like neutral, like I look for, like this is what I look for in a palette, like literally this. So let's do two swashes. Let's do with this one. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. It's like super, super really good. Super really good. And then this one, that looks really good too. Okay, and then let's put these right in here. Oh, wow. That's a pretty... Oh my god, I have friends! It's Corey. So, those swatches were amazing. I'm super impressed. So I'm gonna put this on my face and I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna put some music down for you guys and let's see what I come up with. Also, I'm gonna be using these brushes. These are from Luxie. These are from the box. So I'm going to open these up. Probably gonna break my teeth. How do you open these? Alright, so here are the brushes. So, oh, they're super cute. Oh, it's like, first of all, it looks like it's like, has a bunch of glitter on it, but like it's nice and smooth. That's weird. Oh, look at these. Ah, these are nice. That's really nice. Luxie always has really nice brushes. So I'm gonna use this with this and let's see what I can create.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Alright guys, so I just finished my eyes. So next I'm going to take this from the box. This is the John to Blue Glittery Eyeliner. Okay. I'm never going to be able to open this. I'm just going to twist it and hope that it comes off. Oh, it does. Okay. Guys, where do I want to put this? I'm going to put it underneath. Ow, that kind of hurts. I'm kind of putting this in my inner waterline here. It is not the softest eyeliner I've ever used, but it's definitely not the worst, but it's definitely not the best. Alright, next in the box we have these lashes. I love when lashes are in a box because they're usually really good. So this is the Lash Look. Oh man, I'm gonna be struggle reading this. It's Lashaholic, but luxury lashes. So let's see. Oh, they're like really like wispy. Cute. Super cute. And I probably don't have any glue around me right now. Darn it! I found my eyelash glue stuff, thank God. This is my absolute all-time favorite. I know there's so many people that are like, oh, I love the Duo. It sucks. Like, I don't know why everyone loves it. This is the by far the best. This is the Tarteist Pro eye glue, or not eye glue, the eyebrow, or no, it's not eyebrow either. Come on, Courtney, pull yourself together. The lash adhesive Tarteist Tarte stuff. So first I'm gonna put some mascara on, and let's hope that I don't get it all over, because that would suck. So let's see. I'm just using one from MAC. This is the one that I normally use for my lower lash line, But if I'm using my, if I'm using false lashes, I like to use this for everything just because it's like very small and easy and it goes on really smoothly. Looking at here already, these inner parts are like very long, so I don't know if I'm gonna like that because I like it when it's like little to big, if that makes sense. These ones are all like big, little, big, little, big, little, big, little. So here's gonna be the lash. Looks pretty. And I just like kind of put it on in hopes that's how much I need to cut off, just because that's usually around the same amount that I have to like put on. So I'm just gonna quickly put this on and put my glue on because this glue is so bomb. I'll put the link for you guys because sometimes, you know, putting your glue on is hard. For the people that say, oh, it's so easy, you're lying. You're lying. Using this glue just makes it a world of a difference. Wow, I've never said that. That came out really good. Put it right in the lower lash, right here, and boom, got them. So this is the lashes. I think they are really pretty. The only problem is that these are just not the type of lashes that I personally like. I like ones that are like nice and like fluffy and like on the outer part be like gets smaller here and gets like bigger over here. So it's just, I know a lot of people like these type of lashes. I personally just don't. But it is pretty, or they're pretty. I guess it's okay. Alright, so I have the last thing in the box, and this is the Cover FX glitter drops. So I have definitely used these before. These are so good. I put a video with using this for like everything I could possibly put it on that it would make sense. Today I'm only gonna put it on my highlight, and I'm also gonna mix it into something else just because I want it to be a little more like dewy, I think. I'm not sure. So it looks like this, and I'm going to put this on my highlight, but before I do that, I do want to put a like normal highlight first, just because I want to make sure there's like a highlight first and then I'll put some glitter. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe M510, and I'm just going to put this on my highlight first over here, just so everything is nice and glowy. But I'm just going to put this right on my highlight area. And I like to put it above up here as well. And obviously on my nose. Obviously. After I put my like normal highlight, I'm going to take this. I love this. Make sure you shake it up because it can get a little bit off. So I just want to make sure it's nice and contribute. That's not the word. That is not the word. Alright, and I'm just going to kind of put it on my arm or my hand here first, like this. And then I'm going to take I don't know if I want to use a sponge, or if I want to, oh man, I don't know what I want to use. So I'm actually going to use a weird brush that I'm going to be using. This is my Sigma Large Concealer Brush. This is the F65. And I'm going to use this and just kind of bend it like that, just to kind of get the product in there. And then I'm going to put on top of the highlight, just to put a little bit of glitteriness. So look at the difference between here and then on this side. So this one's more flat, and this one has more like glitter. Not a ton of glitter, but like it's a little bit of glitter. Hydration. That's all I needed. So I'm going to use this. This is my Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. This is like my always go-to. And I'm just going to quickly put this bad boy on. Alright guys, so this is the final result. This is everything that was in the box. So I hope you guys loved this video. BOXYCHARM has amazing items in their box, so definitely I will put my link down below for you guys. You guys are going to absolutely love it. And I hope you guys liked this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.